Some things in learning English are quite tricky, aren't they? Today I'm going to start a new series and teach you all about tag questions. A tag question is a small question form used at the end of a statement, affirmative or negative phrase. We use tag questions to confirm or check a piece of information, as well as to keep a nice flow to the conversation and to encourage a reply from the person we are speaking to. There are many types of tag questions, and on today's video, we'll see examples of how to confirm and check information using the present simple. But before we start, if you're new to the channel, click on the subscribe button right now and stay tuned for weekly videos to help you learn English. So to form a tag question, we need an auxiliary verb, do or be, plus a pronoun. So to create a phrase, we have a main clause and a tag question. Usually, if the main clause is affirmative, the tag question will be negative. Or, if the main clause is negative, the tag question will be positive. So let's take a look at some examples. Hello, hello! Welcome to the Tag Show, where we ask you questions we probably already know the answers to. I'm here with Rebecca Rios. So Rebecca, you're a teacher, aren't you?
Notice how the verb be is affirmative in the main clause and negative in the tag question.
Yes, I am. That's excellent. And you have 2 daughters, don't you?
When you have a main verb that's not be, we use the auxiliary do in the tag question.
Yes, I do. I have 2 daughters, Elena and Eloisa. Oh, that's so wonderful. And your baby girl is already 1, isn't she?
In this case, we replace your baby girl for a suitable pronoun, which is she.
Yes, she is. Eloisa is 1-year-old and walking all over the place. Oh, that's so cute. And your eldest daughter really doesn't like bananas, does she?
Since the main clause here is negative, the tag question is positive.
No, she doesn't. Oh, that's too bad. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you. I'll see you soon. Now that you learned tag questions using the present simple, how about some practice? Let's take the phrase, she plays the piano. Which is the correct tag question? Since the phrase is in the affirmative state and it doesn't have the verb be, the correct tag question is, doesn't she? So the phrase would be, she plays the piano. Doesn't she? How about in the phrase, we like going to the movies? The correct tag question is, don't we? So the phrase is, we like going to the movies, don't we? He isn't a teacher. Since the main clause has the verb be, the correct tag question is he? He isn't a teacher, is he? Let's check out the phrase, they aren't Brazilian. Since in the main clause we have the verb be, we're going to use it in the tag question. And notice how in this phrase the verb be in the main clause is negative. So in the tag question it's going to be positive. So the correct answer is, are they? The phrase is, they aren't Brazilian, are they? Notice how my intonation is falling, because in this case, I'm just confirming that they aren't Brazilian. If I were not sure, I could use a rising intonation to enhance my question. So it would be, they aren't Brazilian, are they? Notice how we rise in the are. They aren't Brazilian, are they? Well, I'm sure now you know how to form a tag question and use it in the present simple, don't you? If you do, please give the video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends, colleagues, and students. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave me a comment asking me a question using a tag question. I'll see you soon. Bye!